This function enables or disables the protection pin to connect to the appliance from a device. Press the selector corresponding to the Settings symbol to enter the menu. Scroll through the menu items by pressing the selector corresponding to Next until Bluetooth appears on the display. Press the selector corresponding to Bluetooth. The serial number of the machine, 19 digits, and a 4-digit number, PIN, appear on the display. Press the selector to disable or enable the request for the PIN when you connect via the app. Press the selector corresponding to Escape twice to go back to the home page. The preset PIN is 0000. You are recommended to customize the PIN directly from the app. The serial number of the appliance, visible in the Bluetooth function, enables it to be identified unambiguously when an association is created with the app.